So let's say Mr. Benga stepped into your shop and said he needed an inverter system for his 2-bedroom flat. Now, the first thing you need to know is what load is he going to carry? What load does he want the inverter to carry? Now, you might say something like, okay, I need an inverter system that can carry 10 bulbs, 1 fan, 1 TV, 1 freezer. So let me write it out. Step 1. Be clear on what load he wants to carry. Okay. Step 2 is sizing your load. So I'm going to use this opportunity to give you different sizes of loads, because now you're seeing 10 bulbs, you're seeing 1 fan. If I just go straight and direct, you're going to be confused. So I'm going to give you some different load sizes, okay, so that you'll be able to understand as I do this calculation. Remember, that's the reason why I'm using this method, so I can give you a personal experience and we develop this personal relationship. All right, it's going to be very, very easy. So load estimation, basic load estimation. For bulbs, we normally estimate bulbs to be 20 watts for 1 bulb. Okay, so anywhere you see bulb, 1 bulb, 10 bulb, just put 20 times 10 if it is 10 bulb. But just know that 1 bulb, we always assume during our calculation that a bulb is rated at 20 watts. For fan, we give it a rating of 150 watts. Alright, so 1 fan is always 150 watts. For 1 TV, we give it an estimated rating of 150 watts. Right? Okay. Now, for freezer or fridge, we always estimate it to be 1000 watts. For sockets, which was not included here, but as an installer, doing your calculation, you always make room for sockets. Make it 300 watts, because they might be charging and powering other heavy duty loads. For cooker, others may have a different opinion, but I like giving cooker 15 watts, 1500 watts. Alright, so these are just some of the basic loads that are being used in the home. So if you know this, you already have a very, very huge advantage. Alright, so we're going to enter into the step 2 in the next video, and I cannot wait to show you how we run these calculations.